Here is the main character for this video. Now, let's go to Adventures of an Old Seadog channel analytics. He has uploaded 341 videos. He now has 88.1k subscribers with a total view of 17,661,995 views. He's from United Kingdom, and his channel type is travel. He created his channel since March 5, 2007. The grade he got is B, and he ranked at 7,602nd in United Kingdom and 2,464th in travel. Next, the daily subs for Adventures of an Old Seadog is around 27 with a daily view of 10,873. Now let's talk about how much money is he making on YouTube, and this is going to be an estimate. So, the daily view is 10,000. A YouTuber will get $4 every 1,000 views. Therefore, the daily earning will be $40. Then, monthly income will be $1,200. Don't forget that YouTube get the cut of the revenue for 45%. Now, monthly income will be $660 after the cut. And as for the yearly income will be $7,920. That is how much Adventures of an Old Seadog earns from YouTube.